Okay, dito kami sa ngayon, firing range. Bali, back to basic kami ni Paulo, no? Matagal hindi nakahawak ng ng barrel, so ko lang siya, i-drill ko lang siya ngayon. Okay. Dry shoot, 'di ba? Kaya kahit dry shoot, isipin mo may totoong bala na siya, ha? Para pagka may totoong bala na, hindi ka na mag-a-adjust ng malaki. Isipin mo may bala na rin siya. Yan. Bilis bunot, tapos focus dun sa sight pagka bago mo kalabitin. Okay, good. So back to basic kami. Yan. Ready? Up. Good. Okay. Puro dry shoot muna ulit. Tagal hindi nakahawak ng barrel. Ready? Up. Bago mo kalabitin, kailangan clear yung target, clear yung sight, ha? Pag sinabing clear, ibig sabihin properly align yung sight, tapos yung target mo is properly din na properly sighted dun sa alignment of sight mo bago mo kalabitin yung trigger. Okay, ready? Up. Up. Follow through. Tignan mo kung andun pa rin siya. Okay, balik. Ready? Up. Bago mo hilain, basta nung kinalabit mo ba, andun pa rin ba siya? Gumalaw ba yung sight mo? Yan. Kung hindi, ibig sabihin tama yung kalabit. Yan. Atras ka pa ron, atras pa. Yan. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Sige, ready? Up. Yan. So pag dyan, para maano mo yung center of gravity mo, nadudulas ka eh. Ibig sabihin nakaliyad ka pa niyan. Kailangan medyo naka-forwarded ka pa para hindi ka madudulas. Okay, ready? Iabanti mo pa yung katawan mo. Ready? Up. Ready? Up. Good. Balik. Atras pa, atras pa, atras pa. Get ready? Up. Good. Okay, balik. Up. Ready? Up. Transition. Change. Good. Balik. Ready? Up. Change. Okay, good. Balik. Ready? Up. Okay, nice, good. Up. Change. Oh, di ba? Oh. Kita mo? Oh, sige, good. Okay. Ready? Up. Isipin mo nagda-dry shot ka lang. Good. Good. Sige. Holster. Yan. Ito yung ginagamit natin ball dummy. So okay na yung kalabit niya, wala anticipation. Sige. Ready? Up. Up. Sige. Sige. Footwork yan. Sige. Nice. Sige. Sige. Okay. Pero wag ano lang ha, kailangan bago ka mag-ano, kailangan naka-align properly yung ano ha, yung sight mo ha. Assuming na totoong bala na yung pinuputok mo. Okay? Oh, up. Okay. Lakihan mo pa yung strand mo. Lakihan mo pa yung hakbang mo. Yan. Sige. Nice. Sige pa. Sige pa. Nice. Sapa. Sapa. Sige. Hindi ka pa inihingal eh. Sige. Nice. Okay, good. Ayos ba, di ba? Ready. Up. Dalawa sa board ha. Ano mo nang puro alpha lang. Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. Good. Balik. Stand by. Good. Live shooting tayo, live shooting. Option 2. Option 2, board and plate drill. Make ready. Holster. Okay, bilis kilos ha, bilis kilos. Bilisan yung kilos. Tapos dahan-dahan lang yung putok, okay? Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
Ginagawa?
Unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster. Oh, doon pa rin sa dati. Okay. Okay, focus. Focus sa gagawin. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster weapon. Range is clear. Time 5.15. Okay, make ready. Make ready. Option 2. Okay. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Okay. Range clear, time 5.09. Make ready. Holster. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. Time 4.04. Okay, change ganun pa rin. Change drill pa rin. Sige, make ready. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. Time 6.52. Holster. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Hammer down, holster. Range clear. Time 5.17. Hit niya still all alpha. 2 alpha. Ayan. Okay, goods. Okay, shooter, make ready. Holster. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Mas mabilis yun. Pabilis na ng pabilis. Okay. Range clear, time 3.75. Okay. Stand by. ready. Stand by. Okay. Okay. Okay, firing ready. Itang na dalawa yun eh. Hitting 2 birds in 1 stone yun. Ito, ang galing ah. Tingnan ito. Paano mo ginawa yun? Ah, pinagitnaan mo?
Nag-ricochet.
Nag-ricochet? Ayos. Ang galing, di ba? Hitting 2 bird in 1 stone.